Supergolden ratio. 2 plus sqrt frac 29 3 sqrt 93 2 3. In mathematics, two quantities are in the supergolden ratio if the quotient of the larger number divided by the smaller one is equal to $psi equals frac 1 plus sqrt frac 29 plus 3 sqrt 93 2 plus sqrt frac 29 3 sqrt 93 2 $3, which is the only real solution to the equation x3 equals x2 plus 1. It can also be represented using the hyperbolic cosine as $psi equals frac 2 3 cosh f tfrac cosh minus 1 left frac 29 2 3 plus frac 1 $3. The decimal expansion of this number begins 1.465 sextillion 571 quintillion 231 quadrillion 876 trillion 768 billion 26,656,731, and the ratio is commonly represented by the Greek letter psi. Its reciprocal is $frac 1 psi equals sqrt frac 1 plus sqrt frac 30 127 2 plus sqrt frac 1 sqrt frac 30 127 2 equals tfrac 2 sqrt 3 sin left tfrac 1 3 sin minus 1 left tfrac 3 sqrt 3 2 $. The supergolden ratio is also the fourth smallest Pisot number. Supergolden sequence. The supergolden sequence, also known as the Mariano's-Cow sequence, is a sequence where the ratio between consecutive terms approaches the supergolden ratio. The first three terms are each 1, and each term after that is calculated by adding the previous term and the term 2 places before that, that is, n plus 1 equals n plus n minus 2, with a 1 equals a 2 equals a 3 equals 1. The first values are 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 13, 19, 28, 41, 60, 88, 129, 189, 277, 406, 595 always and 130. Properties. Many of the properties of the supergolden ratio are related to those of the golden ratio phi. For example, the nth item of Mariano's sequence is the number of ways to tell a 1 times n rectangle with 1 times 1 and 1 times 3 tiles #f. This is assuming that order matters. If order does not matter, then there are 1 plus n/3 possible ways. Group equals MB, while the nth term of the Fibonacci sequence is the number of ways to tell a 1 times n rectangle with 1 times 1 and 1 times 2 tiles. #ref. This is assuming that order matters. If order does not matter, then there are 1 plus n/2 possible ways. Group equals MB. The supergolden ratio satisfies psi minus 1 equals psi minus 2, while the golden ratio satisfies phi minus 1 equals phi minus 1. In Fibonacci's rabbit problem, each pair breeds each cycle starting after 2 cycles, while in Mariano's cow problem, each pair breeds each cycle starting after 3 cycles. There is a supergolden rectangle that has the property that if a square is removed from one side, the remaining rectangle can be divided into 2 supergolden rectangles of opposite orientations. Another example is that both the golden ratio and the supergolden ratio are Pisot numbers. The supergolden ratio's algebraic conjugates are $tfrac 1 plus left tfrac 1 pmi sqrt 3 2 sqrt tfrac 29 plus 3 sqrt 93 2 plus left tfrac 1 mpi sqrt 3 2 sqrt tfrac 29 plus 3 sqrt 93 2 $3 and have a magnitude of $tfrac 1 sqrt psi approx 0.8,260,313 as the product of the roots of psi 3 minus psi 2 minus 1 equals 0 is 1. Supergolden rectangle. A supergolden rectangle is a rectangle whose side lengths are in a supergolden ratio, that is, the length of the longest side divided by the length of the shortest side is equal to $frac 1 plus sqrt frac 29 plus 3 sqrt 93 2 plus sqrt frac 29 3 sqrt 93 2 $3. The supergolden ratio psi. When a square with the same side length as the shorter side of the rectangle is removed from one side of the rectangle, the side's resulting rectangle will be an erasure. This rectangle can be divided into rectangles with side length ratios of and 2 supergolden ratios of perpendicular orientations, and their areas will be in erasure. In addition, if the line that separates the two supergolden rectangles from each other is extended across the rest of the original rectangle such that it, along with the side of the square that was removed from the original rectangle, divides the original rectangle into quadrants, then the larger supergolden rectangle has the same area as the opposite quadrant. Its diagonal length is the length of the short side of the original rectangle divided by $\sqrt\side $. The fourth quadrant is also a supergolden rectangle, and its diagonal length is $\sqrt\side $, times the length of the short side of the original rectangle.